Watching the screens here, a lot of red, and it's accelerating. The NASDAQ is down now more than 2.5%. One prominent name that is concerned about the big picture, Berkshire Hathaway's Charlie Munger, says that he thinks that markets are wildly overvalued in places. And he said the current environment is even crazier, quote unquote, than the dot-com boom of the late 1990s. And Matt, the thing about this is you could have said in late 99, and you would have been right, Amazon is overvalued, and you would have been right all through 2000 and even longer because there was a massive correction. But if we have the chart, pop up the long-term chart of Amazon, and that boom and bust now looks like a flat line relative to what the stock has done since. So the question I would ask is, what do you do with this information? Getting out of the market is often the worst thing you could possibly do.
Yeah. This is pretty amazing, actually. I didn't expect it to be that pronounced, and I knew we were going to show this. So, yeah, Amazon, though maybe a different story than a lot of the other companies we would have been talking about in 1999 that no longer exist.
Pets.com, yes.
Yes. In any case, it's always, I think, fascinating to hear from Charlie Munger. He poo-poos cryptocurrencies as well. And, you know, it's possible that people from a certain era are just never going to grasp new trends. I mean, he's only 97, but, you know, cryptos could last longer than Charlie Munger. And it's, I just think, interesting to get his take on equity valuations because he has such a long-term view. But a lot of things that are here now and here maybe to stay, he might not completely cotton to.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like there's a bit of dissing of Charlie Munger in there that I'm bristling at a bit because
I love Charlie Munger. I love Charlie Munger.
Of course you do. Of course you love your grandpa too. But we need them because of the perspective they bring, and fundamentals do matter. If you don't know why you're valuing something, you're in troubled territory. So I mean, I know you agree on that, but I hope, you know what I hope? That Charlie Munger's around longer.
But how many times could you have said that about Amazon? You know, how many times could you have looked at Amazon and say, they don't make any money at all? I mean, for the last 20 years, often, quite often. Yeah.
Okay, we're getting